Greetings, students. Welcome to my class. Students, for the last 3 days, we have been doing the writing section, and in your writing section, we have been doing letter writing. Students, in the letter writing, I have told you about what is letter writing, what is its importance for kinds of letters, formal, informal letters. We have been doing formal letters. In the formal letters, we have done marking scheme of the formal letter, format of formal letters, types of formal letters, and in the types of formal letters we have done three types of formal letters so far: letter to the editor, letter of inquiry, letter of placing order. And by seeing these pictures, I am sure you must have an idea that what type of letter, formal letter, we are going to do today. And yes, students, you are absolutely right. We are going to discuss about what letter of complaint. We are going to discuss it now. Before I tell you anything about letter of complaint, we would discuss that what is a complaint letter. So let's start. How many times has it happened that you bought a product and it turned out to be defective? How many times did you avail a public service and were left dissatisfied? Or did you ever notice any problematic practice taking place at a public place? What do you do in such situations? Most of the times we do not take any action in such situations, because of which the problem doesn't get the attention it deserves, and hence negligence increases. The most common way to address such problems and to make sure that your raised voice is heard is to write a letter to the concerned authorities. Sometimes the associated organization may not be aware about the troublesome issues which make it the crying need of time to report them. A complaint letter is a type of letter written to address any type of wrongdoing. Wrongdoing here, students, means whatever we have bought or whatever complaint. Why do we have complaint? When we feel that something wrong is done to us. That is why we have to address any type of wrongdoing, and when we write such letters, that those letters are called complaint letters. Offense, grievance, resentment arising out of a product, service, etc. किसी हमें प्रॉमिस कुछ किया गया हो, हमें मिला कुछ, हमें उसकी वजह से बहुत दुख हुआ, हमें हमारी फीलिंग्स हर्ट हुई, जिसकी वजह से हम वो कंप्लेंट करते हैं उसको ठीक करवाने के लिए. हमें कोई सर्विस में कुछ वादा किया गया था लेकिन उसकी जगह कुछ और मिला. दैट इज़ वाई वी राइट अ कंप्लेंट लेटर. It is used to raise your concern about unfair things and seek a productive outcome. Productive outcome here means हम अपनी आवाज़ उठाते हैं उस गलत चीज़ के ख़िलाफ़ जो हमारे वादा किया गया लेकिन निभाया नहीं गया, एंड हम उसमें सुधार चाहते हैं. प्रोडक्टिव आउटकम मीन्स उससे कुछ बेनिफिट चाहते हैं, उसमें सुधार चाहते हैं. It is a fundamental right and a duty of a citizen to seek justice arising out of any injustice. And the first step toward it is filing a complaint. It inspires other troubled consumers, influences the concerned authorities to take proper action, and makes the defaulters more liable, responsible, and responsive. That's why we write complaint letter. Now we'll discuss its types. It can be of the following types. First, personal complaint letter. What is personal complaint letter? The type of complaint letter you write on your own individual level pertaining to your individual grievances is referred to as personal complaint letter. Which something wrongdoing happened to you, somebody has not fulfilled the promise, the company, the service you availed, it was not good up to your expectations, so you on your behalf write a complaint letter. That comes into the category of complaint letter. Second is professional complaint letter. It is that type of complaint letter that is written on the behalf of the organization pertaining to issues that are affecting the organization as a whole. ये कंपनी के बिहाफ पर लिखे जाते हैं और किसी दूसरी कंपनी को लिखे जाते हैं, कंपनी के बिहाफ पर किसी को लिखे जाते हैं. दैट इज़ कॉल्ड कंप्लेंट लेटर. टॉपिक्स, व्हाट कैन बी द टॉपिक्स फॉर writing a complaint letter? These are the following topics for writing a complaint letter. Number 1, incomplete or defective order. Whatever order was given by you, it was incomplete or defective, पूरा नहीं था या ख़राब निकला. Abnormal delay in sending the consignment. The due date which they promised, it was not delivered and it is going on and on, it is delaying on and on. देर जिस दिन उन्होंने प्रॉमिस किया था उस दिन नहीं दिया गया, उसके बावजूद भी लेट हुआ जा रहा है. The goods arrived in a damaged condition. It was delivered on due date, but when you opened your delivery, you come to know that it is damaged. ये ख़राब है, टूटी फूटी ही चीज़ मिली है आपको. The goods are different from what were ordered. Sometimes you get something else. Whatever you order, in place of that you get something else. That's why also we write the for quantity of goods is not what was ordered. Whatever quantity you ordered for 12 dozen and you got only 11 dozen or 11 and half dozen items. आपने 12 दर्जन कुछ मंगवाया था पीसेस एंड आपको मिला 11 दर्जन या 11.5 दर्जन. तो दैट इज़ व्हाट क्वांटिटी डिफर. गुड्स आर डिलीवर्ड एट द रॉन्ग एड्रेस. गलत पते पर भेज दिए गए हों. वर्क अंडरटेकन इज़ डन अनसेटिस्फैक्टरली. Misbehavior of staff or salesman, mistake in preparing the invoice, defective packing that might lead to the damage of goods in transit, mistakes in a bill or reminders for payment after the bill has been paid, etc. Other topics can be wrongdoing in public, rash driving of the DTC drivers, poor treatment of street dogs, any other. Dear students, I would like to tell you, sometimes you find you raise one issue also here. It is not always that you about yourself only you are complaining there's something wrongdoing. Like in other topics, wrongdoing in public, you saw somebody is misbehaving with an elder person, or nowadays young generation is misbehaving with the old generation or old people, or you see that rash driving, poor treatment of street dogs, or any other wrongdoing in the society or public. When you see and you write about that thing related to the concerned authority, sometimes you write to the about the crimes to the police commissioner, or you write letter to the editor as a complaint. You are telling about, you're complaining also, you want them to take some action of me. So these kinds of letter we write, or these kinds of topics we write in the letter of complaint. Now students, we will discuss the format of complaint letter. Students, format of complaint letter, as complaint letter comes in the category of formal letter, so the format which we have discussed for the formal letter, that will follow in this, but we will discuss it. Like first, sender's address. The sender's address is usually put on the top left hand corner of the page. I have told you this date. The sender's address is followed by the date just below it on the left side of the page. This is the date at which the letter is being written. It is to be written in expanded form. You cannot write 21/4 2020. You have to write 21 April 2020 or April 21 2020, or whichever date, or whichever day you are writing the current date, you will write whenever day you write on whichever day you are or date you are writing that letter, that date you have to write. Then comes the receiver's address. Whether to write to above the address depends on the writer's preference. Nowadays we don't write to, just directly write the manager, the chairman, the or anyone. Make sure you write the title, name, position, etc. of the receiving official as the first line of the address. After that, salutations. This update I have told you That nowadays you write salutation first. This is where you greet the person you are addressing the letter to. Bear in mind, keep in mind that it is a formal letter, so the greeting must be respectful and not too personal. The general greetings used in the formal letters are sir or madam. Subject. Now we come to the subject. Then we sum up the purpose of writing the letter in one line. This helps the receiver focus on the subject of the letter in one glance. It is important to underline the subject. Body. This is the main content of the letter. I have told you this is very important, students. It is either divided into 3 paragraphs or 2 paragraphs. You can divide the your body of the content, body of the letter into 2 to 3 small paragraphs. The tone of the content should be formal. Do not use any offensive language. Whether you are complaining, but do not use offensive. Here offensive means students गलत लैंग्वेज का यूज़ नहीं करना है, गलत भाषा का शब्द इस्तेमाल नहीं करना है, किसी भी तरह के हमें उसमें ऐसा वर्ड यूज़ नहीं करना है जिससे कि उस निंदनीय या गलत शब्दों का इस्तेमाल नहीं करना है. Another point to be kept in mind is that the letter should be concise and to the point, and always be respectful and considerate in your language. It should include short introduction paragraph, provide details about the product or service that is the subject of the complaint, include dates, location and the specification about the item or service, state the issue with item or service, provide details as to the cause. This may include malfunction, billing issues, details that were not disclosed, etc. Indicate how you would like them to resolve your problem. Provide specifics about what you are seeking. Indicate you are including copies of transaction document. Indicate you look forward to their reply within a specific time period. Also indicate that they can contact you about the issue and provide your contact details. Complimentary clause. At the end of your letter we write a complimentary closing. The words yours sincerely, truly, faithfully are used. Signature. Here finally you sign your name and then write your name in block letters beneath the signature followed by your designation. This is how the recipient will know who is sending the letter. So student, this was the this format of formal letter. In the next video we will discuss about the tips and one sample complaint letter. So in this audio club this was it. Thank you.